Deserts, covering over a fifth of our planet, have always been seen as barren wastelands, hostile to life and agriculture. For centuries, these arid expanses have been dismissed as inhospitable, their harsh climates and relentless sun making them seem impossible to tame. The very word desert conjures images of endless sand, scorching heat, and a lack of water, conditions that seem to defy the very idea of farming. Their soils are laced with salt and alkali, making traditional farming nearly impossible. These mineral deposits create a toxic environment for most crops, stunting growth and destroying yields. The land is often so parched and saline that even the hardiest plants struggle to survive, let alone thrive. For generations, farmers have looked at these soils and seen only futility. In places like Xinjiang, China, vast tracts of land have been written off as agriculturally useless. The region's sprawling deserts stretch for miles, their potential locked away beneath layers of salt and sand. Yet, these lands represent some of the largest untapped resources on Earth, if only a way could be found to unlock their promise. Yet, with a population of 1.4 billion and limited arable land, China faces immense pressure to feed its people. Urbanization and industrial growth have only increased the demand for food, while shrinking the amount of fertile land available for farming. Every year, the challenge grows. How to provide enough food for a nation that is both vast and densely populated. The millions of hectares of saline alkali soil represent both a daunting challenge and a huge opportunity. If these lands could be reclaimed, they could transform the agricultural landscape, not just for China, but for the world. The scale of the problem is matched only by the scale of the potential reward. If even a fraction of this land could be made productive, it could revolutionize food security. Imagine deserts blooming with crops, barren fields turning green, and once-forgotten regions becoming breadbaskets for millions. The impact would be felt far beyond China's borders, offering hope to other nations facing similar challenges. Now, Chinese scientists are shifting the paradigm, not changing the land for the crop, but changing the crop for the land. Instead of fighting nature, they are working with it, developing new plant varieties that can thrive in salty, arid soils. Through genetic research, selective breeding, and innovative agricultural techniques, they are turning what was once impossible into reality. This bold approach is unlocking a new chapter in agriculture. It's a story of resilience, ingenuity, and hope, a testament to human determination to overcome even the harshest environments. As green shoots emerge from the desert sands, they signal not just a scientific breakthrough, but a new vision for the future of farming. The question is no longer if deserts can be farmed, but how. As we stand on the brink of this new agricultural frontier, the world watches with anticipation. The solutions being pioneered here could one day help feed billions, turning the world's deserts into fields of abundance and hope. In Xinjiang's harsh desert, Chinese researchers launched a bold experiment on a 10,000 square meter plot of highly saline land. Instead of flushing out the salt, they planted a special rice variety designed to thrive in these conditions. The goal, to prove that even the most inhospitable land could yield food. The world watched as green shoots emerged from the salty earth, defying expectations. The rice not only survived, it flourished, producing a viable harvest where nothing had grown before. This small patch became a symbol of hope and ingenuity. It's the first step in transforming deserts into productive farmland. Success here could be scaled across millions of similar hectares in China. At the heart of a remarkable agricultural breakthrough lies a new kind of rice, one that's been genetically engineered to withstand salt. This salt-tolerant rice is the result of years of dedicated research and innovation, offering hope for regions where traditional crops simply can't survive. Scientists around the world have worked tirelessly to identify and enhance the specific genes that allow certain plants to survive in high salinity environments. By isolating these genetic traits and introducing them into rice, they've created what's now known as sea rice, a variety that can thrive in conditions that would destroy ordinary crops. This remarkable rice has developed the ability to filter out or safely store excess salt, protecting its vital cellular processes and ensuring healthy growth even when the soil is saturated with salt. Its roots and leaves work together to manage salt stress, allowing the plant to flourish where others would wither. The journey to this innovation wasn't easy. Years of painstaking research, including screening wild rice varieties from around the globe, led to the discovery of naturally salt-tolerant strains. By crossbreeding and genetic modification, scientists have developed a robust crop that yields grain even in the harshest, most unforgiving conditions. This marks a fundamental shift in agricultural thinking. Instead of trying to change the environment to suit the crop, an often costly and unsustainable approach, scientists are now adapting the crop to fit the environment. This new philosophy could transform farming in arid and saline regions worldwide. The technology behind salt-tolerant rice holds promise far beyond just rice. Researchers are already exploring ways to apply these genetic advances to other staple crops like wheat, corn, and soybeans. If successful, this could unlock vast tracts of land previously considered unusable for agriculture, helping to feed a growing global population. Each harvest of salt-tolerant rice provides valuable data, allowing scientists to refine and improve these crops further. With every season, the rice becomes more resilient, more productive, and better suited to challenging environments. This rice is more than just a source of food. It's a genetic key to reclaiming barren, unproductive land. By turning deserts and salt-ravaged fields into fertile farmland, salt-tolerant rice offers a new future for communities struggling with food insecurity. As a platform for future agricultural innovation, salt-tolerant rice stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the power of science to solve some of our most pressing challenges. Growing salt-tolerant rice does more than feed people. It heals the land. The rice's roots stabilize soil, while leftover plant matter enriches it, slowly turning sand into living earth. The plants absorb salt and, with careful irrigation, help leach it deeper, reducing topsoil salinity. Over time, the land becomes suitable for other crops like cotton, creating a cycle of improvement. What was once barren desert is now a functioning microfarm. This process transforms liabilities into assets, restoring the environment. The greening of the desert is a powerful symbol of renewal. Each harvest brings the land closer to sustainable productivity. Farming here is now a tool for restoration, as well as production. The Desert Rice Project is central to China's strategy for food self-sufficiency. With limited arable land and a huge population, every innovation counts. Turning saline deserts into farmland could boost domestic grain output and reduce reliance on imports. It's a long-term investment in resilience, protecting against global supply shocks. The project also drives rural revitalization, creating jobs and economic opportunities in regions like Xinjiang. It's a model of technological leadership and national development. Each grain harvested is a step toward food security and independence. The message: China is determined to solve its own challenges through science. The implications of desert rice reach far beyond the borders of China. Many regions worldwide face increasing desertification and soil salinization, threatening food security for millions. The Xinjiang success offers a practical blueprint for other nations to reclaim barren land. Salt-tolerant crops could truly transform agriculture in places like Bangladesh, Egypt, and Pakistan. Adapting the technology will require both international collaboration and local expertise. This is an opportunity for agricultural diplomacy, sharing breakthroughs to fight hunger globally, together. The project challenges us to rethink the limits of modern farming. The green shoots in Xinjiang could inspire transformation across the entire planet. China's desert rice story is a testament to the power of science to overcome scarcity. In a world where food security is an ever-growing concern, this breakthrough stands as a beacon of hope. Scientists, driven by curiosity and necessity, have pushed the boundaries of what's possible, transforming the impossible into reality. Their work is not just about growing rice, it's about rewriting the rules of agriculture and challenging the limits of nature itself. It shows that with ingenuity and persistence, we can turn even the harshest environments into sources of abundance. Where once there was only sand and salt, now there are fields of green, feeding communities and inspiring nations. This transformation is a powerful reminder that human innovation can create life where none seemed possible. The line between arable and barren land is no longer fixed. With each new experiment, the boundary shifts and the map of what's possible expands. The desert, once seen as a symbol of limitation, is now a canvas for scientific creativity and determination. This achievement is a reminder: our greatest challenges are opportunities for innovation. Every obstacle faced by these researchers became a stepping stone toward a future where hunger is no longer inevitable. Their success is a testament to the power of collaboration, vision, and relentless effort. The journey from salt-crusted sand to harvestable grain is a microcosm of human progress. It's a story of resilience, adaptation, and the refusal to accept defeat. Each grain of rice harvested from the desert is a victory over adversity, a symbol of what can be achieved when science and determination unite. It took vision and patience to see a future farm where others saw wasteland. The pioneers of desert rice dared to dream beyond the present, believing in a future where deserts could bloom. Their optimism and perseverance have paved the way for a new era in agriculture. The fight against hunger will be won in labs and fields, not boardrooms. It's the hands-on work of scientists and farmers, experimenting, failing, and trying again, that will shape the future of food. Their dedication is the foundation of tomorrow's harvests. The greening of the desert is a symbol of hope and possibility. It's proof that with the right knowledge and determination, we can heal the land and nourish the world. Each new patch of green is a promise to future generations that scarcity can be overcome. One resilient seed can inspire a planet and feed generations to come. The story of desert rice is not just about agriculture, it's about the enduring human spirit, the courage to innovate, and the hope that even the smallest beginnings can lead to a world transformed.